The sound is good. We can hear. Okay, great. So just close your eyes. Relax the muscles in your face, your forehead, cheeks, jaw. Just kind of go all the way down. Release all the tension in your neck, your shoulders, and just breathe naturally. Just become aware of your natural breath, the breath of life in you every second of every day. Just breathe. Breathe in the space of wonder and awe. You can put your hand on your heart and inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. In. In. Just stay with the breath as you hear those heartbeats. Let it cue you out. Connect with eternity in your heart. The wide open space. See the wide open space of your heart. Does it look like the cosmos? Does it look like the endless ocean? Is it a field, never ending, green with flowers? Breathe. Feel the wide open space that you carry within your heart, all the realms of heaven, the heart of heaven, the beauty, the wonder. Breathe. Connect with our hearts, because our hearts are the way that we interface with all of heaven. It is the space that holds the enormity, the endlessness of eternity. Breathe. In through the nose, out, effortless breath, abundance of breath, life. Breathe. breath, the light of the Lord that reaches all the depths and all the parts of us, the light that fills everything we are and beyond. It's shooting out of our hands, out of our feet, out of our mouths, in the words that we speak, out of our eyes. The light of Yahweh in the breath. Breathe. Let it go. Breathe. Let it go. In. Let it go. A few more breaths. All of heaven in your heart. Explore that space, that never-ending space of your heart. And as we move forward, we transition. Stay in that space of heart connect. You connected to your heart, connected to his heart, connected to every heart here. Echad. Stay in this space as we transition, that there is no separation, but there is distinction.